osekwayo dhoudi mopogore opogore pachokae, mabende osebedo kadhi nyime koda chenro mar nyange mong'ere kaka FGM mar mondo mi weche chenro noero mabende osebedo kamedre e kor gwenge ma pachokae. Kanoloso e kaunti ma Migori e Bwo Chenro mar Tieko Chenro mar FGM e pachokae, Linna Jebbi Kilimo wacho ni kaunti ma Migori okawo namba 1 e buche go eko mag FGM koda kwan atamalo 78 makoro nyiso ni nyiri 4 ewi nyiri 5 ewi udi ka udi itimonegi nyange. Kamili Kanoloso.
Department for Gender and Public Service, the county government of Migori, and partners to launch a costed plan, which is a document that is going to be used to fight FGM in communities that are still practicing it in Migori. We have agreed as a team that is a combined effort, and as you see all of us here in the meeting, we have decided and made a resolve to face that challenge together. We all reckon that FGM is one of the challenges that faces communities that are practicing it. The girls in those communities are disadvantaged immensely because immediately they undergo that right, they are deemed to be adults, and most of them drop out of school or are engaged in practices that do not support their education. As Migori County, I want to extend the governor's commitment. He has sent a message, a very clear message, that is committed as the political head of Migori County to work with other leaders in the county and more so in the communities where FGM is being practiced, so that we eradicate the practice in line with the presidential directive that will be done by 2022.
I, as the FGM board chair, are here with the county government, with the CAS, together launching a document that will help end female genital mutilation. The programs and the plan that is there is to reach these communities that are practicing female genital mutilation. And today we have everybody on board that who matter. We have the MCAs, we have the county government, we have the national government, we have the CAS, everybody was here to make sure that.
But when we are in Migori County, 4 out of 5 girls are cut. We are at 78% when we come to the Abakuria community. So you see, there is much to be done. And when you know the danger that you're in, you need to search to get adrenaline into your system and jump. And I think this document will make us in Migori County have an adrenaline surge in our systems to say by 2022, this is what has been said and what is at stake. Moving down the prevalence.